So this is how you can earn fast in Sweatcoin. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Sweatcoin. Today you will learn how to earn more money. So, once you download the app, open it up, and then sign up with your Apple ID. You will then be led to this screen where it tracks your every step. As you can see, it says 1,000 steps generates one Sweatcoin, minus 5% processing fee. And they actually just don't accept shaking, so if you try to shake your phone in order to gain more steps, that won't work because I'm pretty sure it uses your geographical location, as you can see right now. So, how do you actually earn more cash? Well, the obvious thing to do is just, earn more steps a day or just go out more. But you can actually just gain coins from these. As you can see, there is a daily rewards. Try your luck and win rewards from zero point 0.1 to 1,000 sweat coins. That is a lot. So you can go ahead and use these. You can claim them and they will make you watch an ad. I'm pretty sure that's how they gain money from this app. You watch ads and then you gain money, they gain money, so everyone wins. And you can even spin the wheel. So, complete all daily rewards and get a chance to multiply your earnings. You can spin 3 times and then it's gonna multiply up to 1,000 sweat coins. You can even invite a friend, like it says here. Invite a friend, get 5 sweat coins. So tap on that get 5 sweat coins now button and then it will give you a link that you can give to your friends. You can even use crypto to earn more money or use this daily boost. Just simply tap on open boost and then start walking because it's going to double the amount of your steps. So you can even get premium. Just tap on learn more and then it's going to show you all the features. As you can see, you can get 2 times sweat coins, ad free, and all of these other perks. So, yeah, that is how you can earn more money in Sweatcoin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.